Good morning. Today we prepare the lemon dessert. We need to condensed milk and cream milk, lemon juice, lemon peel, and mixer more cookies. It's very important for dessert. Okay, and a refrigerator. No more. Now, Santiago, we explained the step by step. Okay.
Okay. The first step is we liquefy the milk condensed, um, cream milk and lemon juice. The second step is we put the cookies in the mold. The third step is we add the mix in the cookies. The fourth step is repeat the second step and third step one more. The fifth step is we refrigerate overnight, and the sixth step is scratch the lemon peel.
Yes. And finally, this is and dessert. Okay. Thank you. I enjoy.